You heard me? Slow down, squad. When I tell you to slow down, I'm gonna need you to slow down, you heard me? And today, this is the 2-week update. Well, it's actually 15 days since she locked the Zeus. And what I wanted to do is, when you go on, when you click this shit in on YouTube, you don't really get no real answers. You did what I'm saying? And then you got different answers. You got people saying that if the valve if it go back to normal, she not pregnant. Then you got people saying that ain't true. Like, I don't know, it's confusing. So I'm about to just do my own little review. You dig what I'm saying? To show people exactly the process that you go through. So, all right, cool. So this is 15 days. You know what I'm saying? This shit from being outside. It's her nipples. I don't know. I mean, it's fat. These is fat. But her valve, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I don't know. But this is what it's looking like in 15 days. One thing she ain't doing is she not eating a lot. She eating a little bit.
She throwing up.
Yeah, she was throwing up. But she don't throw up a lot. She just throw up. And then, you know, she be back to normal. Stop. But other than that, that's the 2-week update. Till next time. Slow down, squad. Yeah, it won't stop raining. I mean, it's like 9. It just slowed down a little bit, but it won't stop. And these motherfuckers don't do shit but make themselves dirtier and dirtier. Cause all they wanna do is play. Got one that's almost 1 year old and we got this little baby. They both act exactly the same. She up there trying to sniff something out. I don't know what she looking for. What you smell, Mia? Some deer turds? Got raindrops falling on my damn head. So we about to see how difficult this is. Let's see how difficult this be. Oh my God, come on, shorty. What are you doing? It's always you. Come on, Meech. See how difficult this is. Meech, don't you do what she doing. Come on. There go Mia. Watch this. Oh, she coming this time. About time. Meech! Meech! Okay, she did right. She actually did right. A round of applause. She fucked up and then she did right. Round of applause. Hey, Meech, I'm not playing, bro. Come in. Go ahead, bro. Round of applause for that. She fucked up, went through the garden, knew she wasn't supposed to do that, but then she didn't give me a hard time with coming in the house like she normally does. So, kudos to her for that. Kudos to her for that one. That's good. I like that. I don't like it, but I like it. If you understand what I'm saying. Alright, so I'm about to get their food together. And I'm about to let Ivy out. Till next scene. Slow down, squad. Hey, big mama. Hey, come on. Come on, go ahead. Come on. You keep looking at me like you don't know where you're going. Come on. Go ahead, fat lady. Go on, do your business. Go on. What you want, some more attached to me shit going on today? What's up with you? Huh, you alright? She all attached to me. You hear that nigga Meech? I can't wait for that nigga to stop doing that. That howling shit, Lord jeez. Bitch got motherfucking. I remember when she used to be ripped. She ain't ripped at all. She usually look like a horse. Not a horse, but a, I don't know. But nah, her ass just big as shit. Goodness gracious. I ain't know she was this goddamn. It's like every day I see her, dog, she get bigger. It's like, this shit crazy. Just the transformation and shit. I would say she doing good though. She not, I mean, she has been like gasping for air. And we had put her downstairs in her little room. Cause we wasn't sure. But so far she been still trying to run around and play. She been trying to run around and play. You know, she ain't really been doing too much like acting pregnant type shit. She been basically acting normal. That's why I gotta bring her out here by herself, cause if I don't bring her by herself, she gonna be trying to run around, jumping, fighting, shit. I was like, damn, dog, you fucking pregnant. Like, what are you doing? You know, like a project bitch who pregnant as shit, and she still trying to fight. Like, bitch, you pregnant. Sit your stupid ass down somewhere. That's how she be acting. Like, nigga, you pregnant as hell, dog. Chill out. Sit down somewhere. That's it? You ain't got nothing else to do? This all you doing? Huh? That's all you doing? Abby. Go on, go ahead. Go on, go ahead. Go get your exercise on. No. She just wanna be up under me. Yeah. I guess the closer that it get, I don't know. You know, I'm new to this shit. But her stomach. Like her stomach definitely poking out right here. That shit poking out crucial. Can't wait for this shit to go away, y'all. I'm telling you. I know soon as she dropped these. Is that you doing that, or that's these little puppies doing that? It might be you. I know soon as she dropped these babies, these motherfuckers going, this shit gonna go right away. That's a big hefty mama right there, boy. Motherfucker pee, her nipples hit the ground. You done? I mean, what's up? You ain't even pee a lot. I mean, that's not like you. Normally you be peeing for like 10 minutes straight. What's up? Come on. I step in the grass with you or something? What's going on? That's it? Okay. Well, I guess she's done outside, yo. To the next thing. You know the motto. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Can't be doing all that, man. Don't jump on me. Look, see, I told you. You still trying to do all that. See, stop jumping on me. Girl, you was pregnant. You gotta chill out. You ever ask me, does Coco bark in the house? You hear that? Yeah, she does. Doesn't matter where she's at. I had a couple people ask me, does she bark in the house? Yeah, she does. She barks everywhere. She does. Well, what you trying to do now? You don't know what you want to do. Zeus, you ready for your your little sons and daughters? You ready for your son? Abby, stop jumping on me now. Calm your little butt down. Zeus always acting like he gotta go outside. You just came in the house, dog. Chill out. I told you you ain't going out there by yourself no more. You messed that money up. Yeah, man, so she out this junk. Definitely acting like she ain't pregnant still. But it's countdown time, baby. Countdown time. It's definitely countdown time, I tell you that. You know, we finna count down. We got less than a week. You know what I'm saying? We got less than a week, and I'm excited. Shit, I don't know about y'all, but me, I'm excited. This is the beginning of my dog business. You know, this is something to be proud of, something to be happy about, you know what I mean? No matter how many, you know, bitch ass niggas hate or, you know what I mean? This is the beginning of something. Just imagine like being able to buy whatever you want, do whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? Go wherever you want, all selling dogs. Just imagine that shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's my vision. That's what I see. That's what I see. And you know, if I say I'ma do something, I'ma do it. Anybody that know me, you know what I'm saying? They know if I say I'ma do it, I'ma do it. That's one thing about me. You know what I'm saying? No matter what, no matter what, no matter what I got going on, no matter who trying to hold me back, you know what I mean? I'm still gonna do it. You dig? Baby mama say that she got a career and she don't hold a camera for a living. Well, I'm sorry, sweetheart, I pay taxes. So the same way you had to file for taxes, same way I filed for taxes, that mean I got a job. Same way these motherfucking dogs sell, that's a job too. Same way we got the pooping scooping business. Blame pet waste. If they poop it, we scoop it. That's a job. You understand what I'm saying? So, just gotta understand, man. Can't nobody stop your shine. Can't nobody stop your grind. Only you can. Fuck what a hater gotta say. You dig what I'm saying? We talking about real life. We ain't talking about YouTube. You dig? Now, YouTube haters, you can go ahead. You can entertain them. You know what I'm saying? You can entertain the YouTube haters. That's because that's a part of the entertainment. But in real life, fuck what a hater got to say. You know what I'm saying? Cause cause in real life you know who winning. In real life you can see who winning and you can see who losing. You dig what I'm saying? That's real life. Shit can be fabricated over the internet. But in real life you can see who winning and you can see who losing. So this is the beginning of my legacy of these dogs. Everything I want, everything I need. It's about to start in less than a week. Till next scene, slow down, squad.
I done feel so deep for the money, can't eat, can't sleep, think about my chain. Wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, run my burner, I be round with the ratchet nigga, I ain't gon' play. Lord, please forgive my sins, all of this karma I get, that real nigga shit, the 40 is spit. I live by the cold, a thugger, but I managed to win.